Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to manage Chrome site permissions for camera and microphone. So guys, go ahead and navigate to the website for which you want to manage these particular permissions. So in my case it's just going to be YouTube, right? And after that guys, you just go ahead and click on this little view site information button. It's right next to your address bar here. And then don't click anything but site settings. And then when you go here, as you can see, one of the first things and one of the first permissions are actually microphone and camera. So if you want to allow, you press ask or allow. If you want to disallow, just set it to block, just like I have it. And after that, no matter what the site wants, you have your permissions set, and these particular permissions will be, of course, refused to be given to the website and will be blocked. So that is it. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.